Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, current printer is unavailable. Select another printer in Excel. Error. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version. Right-click Windows, Permission. Select all application packages. Check Full Control, Apply, OK. Right-click Windows, Permission. Click Add. Type everyone, click Check Names. Click OK. Check Full Control, Apply, OK. Close and exit registry. Restart your computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.